Let's review unusual past tense words. Read this sentence with me. When Brad threw the ball in the air, his dog caught it and kept running. Can you find the words that follow the unusual past tense rule? Remember that an unusual past tense word has a spelling change from their present tense form. That's right. Threw, caught, and kept. The present tense word of threw is throw, so we had a vowel change. The present tense word for caught is catch. And the present tense of kept is keep. This week we will be learning how to form plural endings. Remember that plural endings tell you that there's more of one of something. Here are the rules that we'll be learning this week. Words ending in E, we add an S. So house ends in an E, we just add an S and it turns into houses. Words ending in CH, SH, SS, or X, we add an ES. So for example, lunch ends in CH, so we add an ES and it turns into lunches. Words ending in a vowel plus a Y, we add an S. So for example, tray ends in a Y, so we just add an S and it turns into trays. Words ending in a consonant plus a Y, we change the Y to an I and add ES. So for example, baby ends in B-A-B-Y, so we take away the Y, turn the Y into an I, and add ES, and babies is B-A-B-I-E-S. To make plurals, we add S, ES, or IES. Look at the word boy. To make this word plural, we just add S for boys. The word face has a silent E. To make face plural, we add S. The word lunch ends in CH. To make lunch plural, we add ES to make lunches. The word story ends with a consonant and the letter Y. When a word ends in a consonant plus a Y, we change the Y to an I and add ES to make stories. Now let's look at the word house. Let's think about our rules and how we would make house a plural word. It ends in a silent E, so we just add an S to make it houses. Read this word, pass. It ends in two S's. Our rule for two S's is to add an ES. So it's passes. Now let's look at this word, penny. Penny ends in a consonant Y. So we drop the Y and add an IES. So to make penny plural, we turn it into an IES for pennies. Stay has a vowel and then a Y. So we just add an S. Stays. Now let's do some pattern sorts. Read the word pages in the top left-hand corner. Where do you think that should go? Was it just add an S, an ES, or an IES? That's right, it just added an S. The base word was page. Now let's think about the word bushes. Do you think it added an S, an ES, or an IES? Bushes added an ES. How about the word spies? How did that become plural? That's right. It was SPY. It dropped the Y and added IES. Great job.